My dog talks. No dog is like my dog. Heel, I say. Woof, says Sam. That means sure thing. Woof, woof, he says next. Uh-oh, that means let's get wet. Then Sam says, woof. Uh-oh, that means let's run in circles and get dizzy. Woof, woof, woof. Uh-oh, that means let's jump into the sandbox. Woof. Uh-oh, that means let's make friends with this big mean dog. Woof, I say. Oh no, what am I saying? I guess I am saying, stop right there. Sam stops, he looks at me, he wags his tail, he heels.